Hello friends, today we're going to talk about 5 types of people you will always find in a group. So, before discussing about those 5 people, let's see what is a group. A group is someone who's going to support you in all your needs. These are people who hang around with you, who enjoy with you, you all go partying together, clubbing together, you all stay together, and sometimes you make college projects together too. So, a group is the one who gives you the feel, the united feel. Just like how you have family at home, you have group of friends at your office or your college, which are your second family. So let's look at the 5 types of people you find in your group. These type of people are very intelligent. They pretend they know nothing. They are as dumb as the other members of the group. But whenever there are exams, whenever there is an interview, this person is the one who's gonna score the highest. And when you ask him, bro, how did you manage to score that marks? He would be just like, oh, I don't know, maybe good luck. I studied last night a little bit, but then whatever I studied came in my exam. So, number 5, the smart one. Number 4, the pretending innocent guy. This person would have tried everything adult and would have seen everything adult, but he will always pretend that he knows nothing. He is like the Sabhya of the group. Sabhya is like the innocent. So we're talking about the innocent pretender. So my request to the innocent pretender is that if you want to be taken as an innocent person, please act it out though. You can't just say I'm innocent and then try to be as not yet as possible. Try to act it out. Try to be innocent. Acting, bro, you need to learn some acting. Come to me, I'll teach you. This one is always surrounded with girls. He likes to flirt around with girls, likes to be with girls. Every second girl is his babe or his girlfriend. He likes to, he's completely dedicated towards patawing girls. I don't know why, but then that is how he is, the chowdhury. Number 2 we have with us is one of my kind, that is the late Latif. This person, you invite him somewhere or he invites you somewhere, he is never going to be on time. Whatever you do, he is never going to be on time. And whenever you ask him why were you late, he has always got an explanation for you. Reasons ka bhandar. And if you try to shoulder him, he will always be like, bro, when are you supposed to come late? You are early, I'm not late. So, beware of these people like me, the late Latif. Number 1, the final one we have with us is the leader of the group. So basically what happens is that nobody made them the leader, but people think they are the leader. In the group, people think they are the leader. Now what can we do for that? We have to accept it. It is just because everybody likes to hang around with this person. This person is like the whole and soul of the group. Everybody loves to be with him, play with him, roam around with him, hang out with him. So number 1 was the leader of the group. Guys, if you like my video, you can like my video. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you can go on the subscribe button below. And if you want to comment anything regarding the video, you can surely do that. And if you want to know anything more about me, you can email me on my email address and I'll get back to you over there. Thank you so much for watching my video and have a nice day.